Today we're out here in Colorado Springs, Colorado at the Clinical TMS Society Conference. Today we're going to be interviewing doctors and professionals, the people that know TMS the best. Today's question is, are there side effects to TMS therapy? So let's go.
Thomas Cassat, third year medical student at FAU College of Medicine.
What are the side effects of TMS?
They're very minimal. Just from the tapping itself, it does feel like a little tapping. Some patients will experience ringing in their ears over time, which is why most companies will offer earplugs to counteract that. To be completely honest, in a very, very few cases, there's been seizures, but that's because these individuals had preconditions such as epilepsy, for example, that made them prone to seizures. But for the average individual who's healthy, there really are no side effects, especially when you compare this to psychotropic drugs like Lexapro, citalopram, etc. Very, very small, minimal side effect profile.
My name is Brett Scotia. I'm the Vice President of Sales for NeuroCare, which we manufacture and sell the Apollo TMS system. I've been in the industry for over 12 years and have sold 10% of all the active devices in the world.
What are the major side effects of TMS?
The major side effects would be that you feel a tapping on your head. It feels kind of like some people call it a woodpecker, but I would describe it more like a TENS unit is how that would feel, and tapping at the same time. I've actually done the treatment to see how it feels. As far as side effects, there's maybe an increased risk of headache that sometimes people take ibuprofen or something to alleviate that, and there's always a risk of seizure, but it's a very minimal in the figure 8 coils.
June from Yingce, the VP for Yingce. Yeah.
Are there any side effects that go along with TMS?
Yes, it has some side effect, but it's very rare. So the most important one is epilepsy. From our experience, we have some method to control when there are some people have epilepsy during the treatment. The rate is about less than 0.1%.
Okay.
Yeah.
My name is Rayma Wright. I work with Seberg's Medical. It's a German-owned company. He's been in TMS for 14 years.
What are the main side effects that you're seeing with TMS?
Some people experience a mild headache when they start the TMS, and sometimes some of them have kind of a little sore spot on their head. But that goes away within the first week. And after that, I've not had any complaints, and I've done it for about a good 10 years.
Yes, my name is Crystal Luca. I'm the Director of Operations and Director of Training for PeakLogic Inc., which is a medical software company as a medical device. And we offer PRTMS, which is personalized repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation.
What are the side effects of TMS or PRTMS?
With PRTMS, we claim the same side effects that TMS would claim. So there are some common side effects such as, fatigue, mild headache, some irritation at the administration site, others more rare side effect. If somebody has a history of seizure disorder, they're at greater risk of having something like that happen during treatment. So screenings do need to happen to make sure that somebody is an ideal candidate for TMS. Now with PRTMS, we claim the same side effects. However, again, because our personalization gives us greater outcomes, it allows us to turn down that amplitude. And because we're administering sub-threshold treatment amplitudes while still having great success with the personalization, we see the incidence of common side effects hardly ever, right? So, we're not going to say that there's no side effects. Again, we claim the same, but most of the time our patients are coming in and they feel great. They're hardly ever reporting these side effects. Mild tiredness after treatment can happen due to fluctuations in blood sugar after receiving a treatment as well.
Yeah, so my name is Jake Buchanan. I own a company called TMS Marketing Solutions, to where we help TMS practices find more TMS patients.
Any known side effects that come along with TMS?
Yeah, so there's an obvious scary one that people would worry about, which would be seizure. But seizure rate is actually really, really low. It's lower than a lot of antidepressants that are out there. So that's an important thing to note. The main side effect that I know of is scalp discomfort. So as the muscles in your scalp are trying to get acclimated to the magnetic pulses, they clench a little bit, and that can cause tension in the head, and you can have some tension headaches and scalp discomfort from that.
Hey guys, if you found that video informational, want to see more, do me a favor, click this video right here while I enjoy my TMS sessions. Did you click it? Click it already. TMS, it's life-changing. This video right here is going to help you.